Welcome back to Auto Legends. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome Truck, a stunning blend of classic trucking heritage and modern motorhome luxury. Known for its iconic design and unmatched durability, the Kenworth W900 has been transformed into the ultimate mobile living experience for long-haul travelers and adventurers seeking both style and comfort. The exterior of the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome Truck retains the unmistakable classic look that has made the W900 a legend. Its long-nosed design, polished chrome grille, and bold LED headlights give it an imposing presence on the road. The extended chassis seamlessly integrates the motorhome components, ensuring functionality without compromising the truck's signature style. Built with high-strength aluminum and steel, the truck is as durable as it is eye-catching, capable of handling rugged terrains and harsh weather conditions. Under the hood lies a beastly 12.9-liter PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering an impressive 565 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse ensures smooth and reliable performance whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating off-road trails. Coupled with an efficient automated transmission and an advanced fuel management system, the W900 Motorhome Truck boasts an impressive range, making it ideal for extended journeys. The truck's air suspension system ensures a comfortable ride no matter the terrain. Step inside, and you'll find a luxurious motorhome interior that feels like a high-end apartment on wheels. The living space is thoughtfully designed with premium materials, including hardwood flooring, leather seating, and brushed metal accents. The full kitchenette features a 3-burner stove, convection microwave, refrigerator, and sink, offering everything you need for gourmet cooking on the go. The dining area easily converts into a cozy sleeping space, while the master bedroom at the rear includes a queen-sized bed, ensuring restful nights on the road. Plenty of storage options are built into the design, from overhead cabinets to hidden compartments. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome Truck is also equipped with state-of-the-art technology. The dashboard features a 15-inch digital display for navigation, performance monitoring, and infotainment. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility come standard, along with a premium surround sound system for an immersive entertainment experience. The truck is also fitted with advanced safety features, including collision mitigation, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system for unparalleled visibility. One of the standout features of this motorhome truck is its sustainability-focused energy system. Roof-mounted solar panels and a high-capacity battery pack provide clean energy for appliances and lighting, while the onboard generator ensures uninterrupted power. The rear modular cargo area offers customizable storage and utility options, perfect for hauling gear, setting up a workspace, or creating additional living space. A built-in smart climate control system ensures comfort in all weather conditions, making this motorhome perfect for any adventure. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome Truck is the ultimate blend of performance, luxury, and versatility. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement for those who demand the best in mobile living. Thanks for watching.